Hello everyone. In IGCSE, you have done so far source comparison of two different cartoons. Now you're going to practice on source comparison but written sources. So let's take a look at it. It is similar to the game that asks you to spot the 7 differences in the images. But instead of images, you will have sentences. So you will need to identify what ideas the sources have in common and which of them are different. Well, here you have source A. This is the usual length these sources have when you have to do written comparison, because if not, it is going to be very difficult to find enough similarities and differences. And here you have source B. You see, the length is more or less the same. So this is for you to have in mind how much time you will need to use to read the sources and make the comparison and contrast. Let's take a look at the mark scheme. Given two written sources, A and B, the question says, how similar are these sources? And tells you to answer the question using the sources. This means that you are expected to provide precise and detailed evidence from the sources. As I said, kind of spotting the differences in an image. Look at the maximum level awarded in this question. To reach it, you must identify agreements, similarities, and also identify disagreements, differences. You're expected to find in total between 6 to 7, including both differences and similarities. Here you have an example on how to write a paragraph explaining the differences. If you take a look between inverted commas, you will find the specific evidence from each of the sources. And here you have an example on how to write similarities about the two sources.